Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So if you want to make income online and you want to do it passively and you want to do it while you're on vacation and you want to do it like a total boss, well, we're going to do that right here on this video. I'm going to go over to my computer. I'm going to show you exactly how to get up and get running, how you can do it passively and how you can get started quickly. So the dream of everybody is to earn passive income. Why not? I mean, why shouldn't we all? And we all should be making passive income online. But there's going to be some tricks and some strategies you're going to have to kind of go through, and you're just going to have to be consistent with it. You're going to have to give it some work, and it's going to take a little bit of time in order for it to start to evolve and start to where you start to earn that passive income, and you start to make that type of, get the lifestyle that you want. Because ultimately you want to have that total boss lifestyle where you get to do the fun things that you want in life and not be tied down to some job or somebody else's dream that you're building. You want to be able to build your own dream. All right, so let's jump right into my computer and I'm going to show you exactly how to get going with passive income online.
All right, so let's talk about a passive income with affiliate marketing. Let's just jump right into the biggest and the baddest. Amazon Associates, they are the originators of affiliate marketing. All it is you find a product inside of Amazon's catalog marketplace and you get to promote that product and you get to earn a commission on that. Earn up to 10% advertising fees with Trust e-commerce leader. Amazon is the leader. People trust Amazon. You can sell just an absolute crap load of products using Amazon Associates. You can just log in, you can sign up for free, and you can start promoting anything that you want inside of the Amazon marketplace. Okay, so if you just got to get creative on what it is that you enjoy, what it is that you want to talk about, what is it that you want to drive people to. If you're into cameras, you can go into any of these camera. Let's type in cameras. Okay, so any of these cameras right here, you can promote. You can promote all of these, and you can get percentage on it. I mean, look at these. $497, $697, $224. Now to make this passive and make it to where you earn income while you're at work, while you're at vacation, things like that, well, you create videos like this. Okay, you create videos, and I'm just going to show you the biggest and the best who do this on a consistent basis. Casey Neistat, if you haven't followed his channel, you look at this channel right here. I mean, all this is he talks about the iPhone X. Okay, he talks about the iPhone X, and inside of his description here are all links that are going to Amazon. So this video was filmed on a 4K, okay? And then he clicks on this link right here and it goes to this Panasonic. Now this link is connected to him. So anytime somebody comes to Amazon, buys this product, he gets a percentage of this. And you can see right here, he has 3 million views on this channel. So you can just imagine the amount of traffic that's going to click through here. Now, he created this on November 10th, so he doesn't even have to do anything. I mean, he could be out vacationing, doing whatever he wants, riding his skateboard, making more videos, and he's still going to be earning passive income with that. That's why I like YouTube so much for this, because once you create a video, it lasts on YouTube forever. I mean, as long as YouTube's around. So if people are searching for things, then they will come to your video, and then if you give a link to the actual product, then you're going to get credit for that. Another great one is Think Media. They do a really good job with promoting products. You can see all of his products are pretty much camera based. There's microphones. There's a lot of just video. Here's a drone right here. So then all of these are just talking about different types of technology products that you can use to create your YouTube channels. So if we go here, he's talking about this camera here, and if we go to the bottom here, you'll see that camera in this video. So if we click on this link right here, it takes us to the Amazon marketplace, and here you can get looks like you can get a Canon PowerShot digital camera right here for $697. He's going to get credit for that if somebody buys this product. This video will, he has 7,000 views on that. But this video is going to be on YouTube for a very long time, and people are always going to be clicking on these links. That's how you create passive income. So let's talk about some other programs that you can promote. You got GoDaddy. GoDaddy is a place that you can people want to go and buy domains, you can promote GoDaddy. If somebody wants domains are a huge thing. Everybody wants a website. Everybody wants their own domain. You know what? They want a .com, they want a .net, .org. GoDaddy is going to be where you can earn cash by promoting people to GoDaddy. Now, one of my favorites is going to be HostGator. Everybody wants a website, and HostGator allows you to upload a website. You can create WordPress on HostGator. You can create landing pages, all that good stuff on HostGator. And what they're going to do is they're going to pay you $125 per qualified sign up. So here's an example of a $125 times 21 gets you $2,625. Now let's just say, for example, you don't want to create a video. You just want to start earning income right now. Well, if you went to, let's say you go to Facebook advertising and you start advertising for HostGator, and then somebody comes here and signs up. I mean, what if you spent $600 on ads and you got back, $2,625? So you're really up about $2,025 in profit. Okay, so you can see the power of this. You wouldn't spend $600 to get 21 leads. I mean, you would spend less than that. But if you're targeted very good and people are coming to HostGator and they're signing up, then you can earn passive income. Now, you can also create videos on how to create a WordPress site or how to create a blog online. I actually still get paid from HostGator from a blog post that I created years ago that still generates income for me today. I haven't touched it. I haven't even messed with it, but it still brings in income every month from passive income. Okay, so that's how you're going to create passive income for yourself, and this is how you'd get up and running. So again, you just got to go to Amazon Associates, and then you can use, you can go to GoDaddy if you want to. You can go to HostGator. Also, you can also go to Offer Vault. Offer Vault will have a ton of, there's 77,000 results at Offer Vault, so you can find something that you can promote. But if you really want to get started, just go to Amazon, create some videos like this, drop your links in here in the description, and let it go. And then you're going to earn passive income from your videos. Okay, so there you go. That's how you earn passive income with all of these great affiliate offers online.
All right, so there you go. You are all set. Now all you got to do is just take action. You got to just apply what you've learned. You got to go ahead and start creating these videos, start getting your content out there, and start getting people to click on your link, go to your affiliate offers, and then you can start earning your passive income. If you like this video, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help your business. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoy that, and we'll see you on the next one.